Welcome to my tutorial for Gmap GIS. This is a tool that allows you to draw over Google Maps, and it can be found at gmapgis.com. I have used this tool successfully in my English classroom because my students don't always have the background knowledge that they need in order to begin reading a novel or a story. I like to use this to give them an idea of where the story is taking place. For example, we are working on Call of the Wild right now, so I had them track the main character Buck's journey from California up to Alaska using this tool. I'm just going to show you some generic ways that you can use the tool, the tools available. The first one is the line tool. And I'm just going to show you with going from California over to New York. So you can draw a line by clicking the line button, clicking on the map, and then dragging the line to your next location and clicking. To get out of the tool, you click the button again, and then you have a nice line on your map. You can also label these by clicking the label tool and click on Edit. And you can change the text. I'm just going to put point A, and then OK. If you want to make it bigger before you move your box, you'll want to grow your font to make it whatever size you want. And then you can take your box and move it over to where you want it. I'm going to make another label. This one's going to be point B. Point B, and then you can grow your font, make it bigger. You can also change the background color, the font color, the border color. It has lots of options. I'm going to put point B over here, and now we have a line from point A to point B, and it's labeled. In order to save the drawing, the best way to save it, I don't use this Save tool. I'm not sure why, but it doesn't work on my computer. The download button, I don't use this either, as it saves as a Gmap GIS file, but if you use Google Maps or Google Earth in your classroom, this is a good way to do that. You can save that and present things to your students as well. But I have them save as a link, and then they copy the view only link, and they can add that to our Google Classroom as a comment on the assignment, or they can create a document and put a link. They can use that link as an active link on a document, and then that's how I have them save their drawings. A few other tools that I think are pretty cool. There's a marker tool. You can mark points on the map. And you can also save on the download button. You can save those markers as a CSV file, which is pretty useful. You can also create a shape over part of the map like this by using the polygon tool. And then you can drag those corners to wherever you need them. But you can create an overlay there using the polygon tool. There's also a rectangle tool. The Scribble Tool allows you to draw certain shapes if you need to follow closely a road or a river. You could use the Scribble Tool. And there's a circle tool. I just think that this tool is really nice to get students engaged in the map of the world and to get them to understand just where places are, because I don't think our students have a great background knowledge of geography. So this is a way to help them get engaged in that. You can also toggle the satellite versus street. You can change it from a street map to a satellite map, or you can do the hybrid, just like on Google Maps. Thanks for watching my tutorial. I'll see you guys later.